What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. So, people, we're looking back at the videos of Vusumuzi Matlala as he was still at the ad hoc committee, and testifying. And people were looking at these videos when he was writing down whatever he was writing down, whenever he was being questioned. And people, are trying to link that to what happened to DJ Waras. But at the moment, there is nothing whatsoever, that is connecting Vusumuzi Matlala to DJ Waras. And I don't think, he has any reason to be doing any of that. Because right now, security is very, very tight, at the maximum prison he is at right now, because they do not want any embarrassment at all. Because you remember, if Vusumuzi Matlala was caught with a cell phone, so if he is caught with something else again, it's going to be very, very embarrassing again. So at the moment, the SAPS has appealed to anyone with any information to contact them, to help with the investigations. And there's this back and forth that is going on, with regards to the CCTV footage. The public, another section, is saying that the SAPS must release the CCTV footage to show, what happened. Maybe there is somebody who might connect with the events, but others are saying, no, you can't release that. It's too early to be releasing the footage. We all know with AKA, the footage was released and maybe it did help assist, with the investigations, but I'm sure the SAPS is weighing those options, of either releasing or not releasing the footage. I'll catch you guys on the next one.